are going to install this peel and stick wallpaper in my daughter's room and see how easy it is. Let's give it a try. So like most teenage girls, my daughter's style changes on a regular basis. And so when she wanted to redo her room, I found this peel and stick wallpaper that we liked to go ahead and put on her walls. I love that it will give her the look that she wants, that it's removable, and we're not tied down to a certain trend or style that she's liking at this time. So once you have your wallpaper stuck, you want to go ahead and check your wallpaper with the level to make sure that the base, our first piece, is put on straight so we can set it up for the rest of the wall. So we're going to move on. I'm going to go ahead and continue to remove the backing of the wallpaper as we go down and use my credit card to smooth out the bumps as I go down. To get a clean cut, make sure that you use your straight edge to cut along the mold. So now that we have our first strip up, we are realizing that because my walls are textured, it's a little harder for the wallpaper to stick to. So if you do have textured walls, just know that you are going to have to put in a little more work to make sure that it sticks. Another benefit of peel and stick wallpaper is you can keep adjusting it. As you can see, I have a little bit of a space here, so I can remove some of the back, then peel the wallpaper off the wall and go ahead and readjust it. So with our last strip, I trimmed it before I put it on the wall, and I obviously cut it a little too short. The wallpaper I have has this print on it, and I don't want that on the wall. So we're gonna go ahead and put it up there, and then we'll trim once we have the wallpaper in place. So as you can see, for our spot around the door, it's going to take a bit of maneuvering to make sure that we have all of the crosses lined up and that it goes around the door in the same pattern. I absolutely love how this room turned out. It is so adorable and just perfect for my daughter, but I can't wait. She's almost home from school. She doesn't know that we did this in her room today. So I'm super excited to see her reaction and see how much she loves her room.
Surprise! Oh my gosh! This is cool. Thank you.
Do you like it?
Yes, I like it.
Do you want to be on our next episode? Be sure to comment here below so we can take your problem and help find a solution. I absolutely love this project. I would 100% recommend it to other people. It completely transformed this space. It was very affordable. It was very easy to put up. And what I love, like I said before, is that we can just take it down once she's moved on from this wallpaper and ready for something new. Be sure to tune in every Sunday to see what we try next.